Hello viewers, today I will show you how to change admin password on Tp-link TL-WR-841N router. At first, connect your computer or mobile phone to the router using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. Once your computer or mobile phone is connected, open the web browser and go to 192.168.0.1. Now log into your router's panel. Type the administrator password you have previously set. Enter the login password you have previously set. Then click on Login. At the down left, click on the System Tools. Scroll down for the password options. Then click on the Password tab. First, type your old admin password. Enter the new admin password you have chosen. Administrator password must be 6 to 32 characters long. Administrator passwords must contain at least 2 types of the following characters: letters, numbers, and symbols. Re-enter the new admin password. Then click on Save. Admin password change settings successfully. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon to get the latest video update. Thank you for watching.